Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyansi. So today's video is really going to be different from my normal video, so let's get started. So today I am going to show you my handmade card for my mama which I made when I was in class 6. Yes, 6 years back. And that is why some things are misplaced and some things are faded, some things are like not really well, but I wanted to show you because this is a very beautiful memory of me and a very childish activity yet. So you have already seen the first page and I used the white cloth because to show you that properly. And here in the second page you can see that there is a beautiful poem over here, and you can see this pink color gradient texture that is done by a nail polish of my mom. So and you can see this all of a heart in the second page very clearly rather than in the first piece. These are a lot of hearts that I cut out from wedding cards, you know, right? Yeah, from that. And you can see the whole structure of that particular card. And next let's come to the third one. Okay, so this is a very special one. You can see a lot of heart design here, a lot of things done with the correction pen as well, a lot of stickers as well, and you can see three straps over here, and there is a special creativity to open this all this strap. It's like a opening and you have to open and there is a message inside. Okay, it's like that. So this one is really good, and I don't know nowadays where is this creativity, but I think at that time I was a child, and I think children are really very creative more than adults. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of stickers and lot of opening, and the third one is different from the first two one. You can see that there is a two heart and you have to unlock that. Okay, so this one is really special, and I think this one I got as a summer project, and I really love doing this. And after that you'll be seeing it's a whole mess. Yeah, because I did a lot of patterns in oil pastel, and as it is now old, that's why it's looking faded and it's like mixed up all the way. And you'll be thinking that what is this have been done. Yeah, this two pages I am talking about, and you must be wondering that what is this square and rectangular shape things. These are also a type of opening. You have to open the paper, you will see a photograph. I will be not showing you all the photographs, but one photograph I will show you, and that is this one, where my childhood photograph with my parents was there. Okay, so this photograph is really important for me, and you know why I showed this video to you very early, because I wanted to cut this photograph out because it's really important. Because at that time मैंने बहुत जिद किया था ये फोटोग्राफ को लगाने के लिए, तो माई मॉम do give permission, but now she is like I want the photograph back because neither it will be like damaged. So yeah, she really need that photograph back, and I also need this photograph back because it will be wasted. So that's why I need to cut this out. So before cutting it out I wanted to show you. And this is the this is also the piece where a lot of chumki is there, glitters are there. I have added a lot of things in this card, like all the things. Okay, and you can see the small square in the bottom. This you have to open, and there will be M, love N. Okay, it is like that. And a lot of messages have been written here. बीच में मैंने स्टिकर लगा दिया, बीच में मैंने हार्ट्स बना दिया, पता नहीं क्या किया था तब। बहुत ही बेकार सा मतलब क्रिएटिविटी है, बहुत ही मिस्ड अप सा क्रिएटिविटी है, बट उस टाइम मुझे ये वाला बहुत पसंद आया था, और आज भी मुझे बहुत ही फनी लगता है ये वाला चीज़. बट स्टिल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लव फॉर माई मॉम थ्रू दिस कार्ड, और उन्हें भी ये कार्ड बहुत पसंद है. हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी लाइक थैंक्स कैसे लिखा है, मतलब कुछ भी मतलब यू नो स्ट्रेट नहीं है यहाँ पे. एंड दिस last page is like so messed up, it looking like you have written in your blood or something like this. I have taken my mom's nail paint and done a lot of flowers as well, and the roses around. So this is what it is, and yeah, this is a memory I wanted to show you, because you can also gift a card for your mom. And I think the days were really special when you used to do cards for mom and dad, and I have done a lot. So yeah, I love you mama, and that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, do subscribe to my channel. So मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye, and thank you for watching.